To achieve the Roxidan Corten Effect, apply a smoothing in the yellow from color chart 0250 of Roxidan Fondo with a stainless steel trowel fratazzo, realizing a layer which is not too high and that can cover uneven surface irregularities without bothering to even out the surface. The product is ready to use. When the drying is completed, add a non-homogeneous second coat of the product of the same color, performing a buffing with a bristle brush erratically, and/or using the same trowel. When the base coat is dry, apply a first thin coat of Roxidan Finitura tint 0270 over the whole surface using a sealing or sponge, creating some zones of accumulation and leaving others highlighted so we can slightly see the base coat. Before the complete drying, proceed similarly with the Roxidan Finitura tints 0271 and Roxidan Finitura tint 0272, and wait for the complete drying. Repeat the previous operation, laying the three-color finish, creating the desired shade, and let it dry. Other shades can be made according to the painter's imagination.